How's it going? I'm here today to look at a couple guns here quick. First of all, I got an Archangel 22 with 50 round drum, grip pod, scope, got some rails on her, pretty cool. Next up here we got the Remington 870 Camo 12 gauge pump action, fixed stock. For the sights, has ghost rings, door breach, muzzle flash hider. Next up is a 12 gauge Dominion Arms, 12 gauge pump action, 10-inch barrel. Pretty damn cool. Next up we got the Russian SKS. Nice big mag on her there. Grip pod. Side folding stock. Nice and short. Shoot the shit out of everything with this thing. Next up, one of my personal favorites. Got a nice plain Jane M4 here. Got the basic grip up here. 6 position stock. Got this nice little mag right here. I think this one holds 25, but that's not how I roll. So let's find the other one. Here we go. There's a bad boy. 50 rounder. Pretty cool. Next up is a 22 made by Remington. 597 VTR quad rail varmint barrel. Nice heavy barrel there. Stock 6 position. So in here it's a 22, but got some mags here taped together. You can shoot. You flip them over, you can shoot again. That holds like 50. Got a scope on her. Next up is original stock. It's a wood stock. This is a Russian SKS bayonet. Pretty cool. It's just got the 5 round mag on her. Wood stock. It's like a cherry color. Iron sights. Pretty cool. Yeah. That's almost it. I'll just end this movie off. With a bang. Thanks for watching.